Welcome to Rather Be Teaching. I'm Janelle Carroll, and let's get started. Today, I'd rather be teaching station to station. Let's take a look at how to sustain a maximum momentum. So as the teacher, you're going to be showcasing top quality submissions. Students are going to see examples of peer work that delivers to the highest standards, and the rising tide of the peer versus peer competition, friendly competition throughout the unit will encourage students to deliver even stronger work products as the unit progresses. As the teacher, you really want to encourage students to deliver even stronger work products as the unit keeps progressing. And you want to make sure that you are letting students know how they're able to do that and what is essential. Station to Station is so amazing. The level of competition between teams will heat up day after day, challenging them to create better and better work products. On the final day, typically on a Friday, you will notice each team is reaching that higher level.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.